Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the MAX function in SQL. The MAX function is a powerful aggregate tool that helps you retrieve the highest value from a column. It's incredibly versatile, working across various data types like numbers, text, and dates. Remember, when MAX encounters a null value, it simply skips it, ensuring your results are based only on existing data. This function is fundamental for data analysis and reporting. Let's look at the basic syntax for using MAX. You simply select MAX followed by the column name in parentheses, then from your table name. For instance, to find the highest price in a products table, you'd use select max, price from products. This will give you one single value, the absolute maximum. You can also give this result a clearer name using an alias, such as highest price. Now, let's explore how MAX becomes even more useful when combined with the group by clause. If you want to find the maximum value for different categories, group by is your friend. For example, to find the highest salary in each department, you would select the department and MAX, salary, then group by department. This gives you a distinct maximum salary for every single department, rather than just one overall maximum. When filtering with MAX, it's important to understand the difference between where and having. The where clause filters individual rows asterisk. Before asterisk, the MAX function is applied. For example, you might find the maximum order total for orders placed after a specific date. In contrast, having filters asterisk groups asterisk of data asterisk after asterisk, MAX has calculated its results. This allows you to specify conditions on the aggregated maximum values themselves, like only showing departments where the maximum salary exceeds $100,000.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.